Linking your device is one of the steps you need to complete to actually finish your account setting with Liminal. I have a hardware wallet called Trezor. You can easily connect your ledger as well. I'm connecting my hardware device to my wallet, to my laptop, sorry. Let's start the linking device process. Select I have a Trezor. Make sure that your device is installed and completely set up and ready to use. Make sure that you also take a backup of your seed phrase, and remember that Liminal does not have your private keys or your password, so you will not be able to retrieve the password if you lose it. So make sure your seed phrase is kept in a safe place and you remember your password. Let's link our devices. Now, before we do that, we also have to choose your preferred. You can choose your preferred assets that you want to link. I'm going to choose ETH. I'm sure you would have saved your password while you were setting up your account or setting up your Trezor. You can use the same password. You would receive a confirmation on your hardware wallet. You need to confirm it over there. And done. It's that simple and seamless to connect your hardware devices to your Liminal account. Thank you.